That really upset me when because I saw it halfway through.
Yeah.
And I should have recorded the second class. I didn't realize how bad it was.
He's one of those kids.
But no, I watched that class.
And I had
The second half was beautiful, but not the first half.
Yeah.
Big granola in the top.
It happens.
I woke up at
Alright.
7:56. Got my clothes on.
Okay, I'm gonna hand out the test.
Put my stuff in my
Name
bag.
goes
got my
on it.
car and left.
You can immediately start if you want, but I'd probably recommend that you listen to directions first. So. Exact same size as the other one. It looks almost the same. All that happened was some numbers changed to pick different from your book. Let's go through the directions real quick. Things for you, pass those triangles off the side. You might want to use that. Hint, hint. Alright, number one, evaluate the expression. I want to digit, like a final number. Show some work on number one. It should be pretty easy though. 2 and 3, figure out the intersection union kind of thing. I want your answer in a bracket, like the curly braces. 4, make sure that you're distributing and then you're actually solving, you're combining like terms. Should be like 1 or 2 lines. Show some steps that you're doing there. You don't have to show a lot. Number 4 is pretty easy. 5, the big thing I'm checking for is, do you know how to type it in? Do you know what your final answer should be? That type of thing. Just be careful with the negative sign and whatnot. 6, on that problem, make sure that you're doing the powers and then the parentheses kind of thing. Show some steps. I kind of warned you of that yesterday. 7, make sure you distribute. All that good stuff. I'd almost recommend on that number 7, simplify first. 8, you want those numbers in scientific notation, proper scientific notation. So on the test I gave you, or on the practice guide I gave you the proper scientific notation. You have to give me the number. Now you're going backwards. I'm kind of warning you of that. 10 and 11, simplify those as far as you can. Remember, multiply and divide. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to do that. You can simplify. 12 and 13, make sure you simplify those before you try to attempt to add or subtract. 14, you got to rationalize the denominator. My hint to you is use a conjugate. 15, do the indicated operation between your parentheses there. And then whatever the resulting polynomial is, make sure it's in standard form. That's descending order. And give me the degree. Make sure that you're giving me all the parts I'm asking for that one on number 15. You would not believe how many people get it wrong because they didn't read the directions. There's 2 things I need from you. 16, you got to use Pascal's triangle. I would recommend on that one, number 16, because I gave you like this much space. Use all the space on the side of your paper. Use that over there. That'll help you out. Okay. 17, 18, and 19, factor those. Factor them apart. Use every possible style of factoring that you possibly can get. Okay? Alright. The rest of the time is yours. Take your time. There's a question you can ask. Remember, I will not tell you how to type something in the calculator. You're supposed to know that walking in here. But if I need to clarify what that question is asking for, I can do that.